You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, May 22nd. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather again today. Very warm, if not hot and dry, but really not that far away. Got some fairly active storms. In fact, let's look at the radar this afternoon coming out of Memphis, and you can see some pretty impressive storms there blowing through parts of West Tennessee and the northwestern corner of Mississippi, prompting severe thunderstorm warnings. In fact, that part of the Mid-South is under a severe thunderstorm watch. Some of those might clip the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama this evening, but the rest of the state will likely stay dry. Here's the big picture. This is the water vapor satellite imagery, the intense shortwave that brought the tornadoes to Iowa yesterday. That's rotating up into Canada. We've got the ridge over the eastern states, and again, a southwest flow aloft just west of here. But that ridge will likely keep most of Alabama rain-free. Check the visible satellite view. Got a field of fair weather cumulus clouds over much of the state. And again, you can see those convective clouds, the storms over parts of West Tennessee and northwest Mississippi. This is the regional radar composite, putting all the radars together, showing those bands of strong storms over northern and western Tennessee and parts of Arkansas this afternoon. Temperatures are mostly in the 80s again today. Birmingham at 86, Anniston, Gadsden 85, Huntsville 87, mid-80s for Montgomery, Dothan, and Mobile. And again, we'll stay mid to upper 80s on most days, and inevitably we'll see a few spots hitting 90 along the way as we approach the holiday weekend. There is a severe thunderstorm watch in effect north and west of here, parts of West Tennessee and extreme North Mississippi back into Arkansas. And back off to the west, a tornado watch in effect for parts of Texas that would include Dallas-Fort Worth. Also, we note a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of New York and northern Pennsylvania. So here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. We have an enhanced risk that's level 3 out of 5, including places like Dallas-Fort Worth and Texarkana. The area is in orange there. The broader risk runs from Texas into the northeast United States. This is tomorrow, day 2. An enhanced risk over parts of Nebraska and Kansas. And again, that broad risk running from the Great Plains over to the Atlantic coast. And really, it kind of clips the marginal risk, clips the extreme northern part of Alabama. Day 3, this is Friday, a marginal risk over Arkansas and points north up towards Chicago. Let's keep going. This is day 4, which is Saturday. We have a risk of severe storms west of Alabama. This would include Little Rock, Oklahoma City, Kansas City, St. Louis, Wichita Falls, Texas. And then on day 5, this is for Sunday and Sunday night. And again, this outlook extends through 7 a.m. Monday. And we have an enhanced risk from near Little Rock and Memphis up to near Paducah and Evansville. And the broader risk does clip extreme North Alabama. And I really think Sunday will be dry for most of the state. This is for storms that might creep in here Sunday night or during the pre-dawn hours Monday. But I think there's no doubt the better chance of any storms over the next 5 days will be across the Tennessee Valley of North Alabama. In fact, here's a look at rain valid through Wednesday morning of next week, and you can see the bigger numbers over the Tennessee Valley. Rain amounts there between 1 and 2 inches. And we stress, even if you're in Huntsville or the Shoals, Athens, Decatur, Scottsboro, it's not going to rain the whole time. Just from time to time, you'll have a storm, and they could be strong along the way. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. You can see a trough digging down across the northern Rockies, trough in eastern Canada, ridging over the Gulf of Mexico. And for Alabama, we'll call it partly sunny, and there could be a little pop-up shower or storm tomorrow afternoon somewhere over about the northern third of the state, north of Interstate 20. I'd say the chance of any one spot getting a shower or storm in the 20 to 30% bracket, if you like the numbers game. They'll be random. Highs upper 80s. Same thing Friday. Partly sunny, highs upper 80s. The chance of scattered, mostly afternoon and evening showers and storms over the northern third of the state. That's where the better chance of those will be. And again, the chance of any one spot getting wet running in the 30 to 40% bracket. And most of those will come from about 1 p.m. until 10 p.m. And it will not rain everywhere. And you're going to hear us say this almost every summer day in June, July, August. And that's the theme for the weekend as we get into a holiday weekend. This is Saturday. Partly sunny, highs up there close to 90. Hot, humid. A few scattered storms by afternoon, mainly over the northern third of the state. The better chance north of Interstate 20. And again, Sunday looks pretty dry here. Surface low is developing to the west of St. Louis, and that'll be pushing a cold front in here. But it looks like any storms with that would be late Sunday night or maybe early Monday morning. So again, for now, Sunday looks mostly dry. Low 90s. This could be the hottest day of the month here. And then on Monday, Memorial Day, that front pushes in here with a chance of showers and storms. And that doesn't make it a rainy day, but just understand on Monday there could be a passing shower or storm from time to time, mainly for the northern two-thirds of the state, the high Monday in the upper 80s. And then Tuesday, the front pushes down to the south, a better chance of showers and storms Tuesday over South Alabama. And even there, again, not necessarily a rainy day. Numbers begin to come down. The high Tuesday will be in the middle 80s, and this is a week from today, Wednesday, May the 29th, and you can see a trough over the eastern states, and that's going to push a pretty decent continental dry air mass in here by the middle of next week. Wednesday should be a sunny day, highs low to mid-80s, and that should get us in the 50s in many spots by the end of next week, Thursday and Friday morning. So one last little breath of fresh air before the summer kicks off, meteorological summer. Let's go out 10 days. Speaking of that, this is Saturday, June 1st, first day of meteorological summer. Trough over the northeast, trough in the northwest, ridging in between. And for us, warm and dry. Highs in the 80s. Here's a look at rain for Birmingham. This is coming off the European ensemble. The mean is the green line. That's the mean of the ensemble members, running between 1 and 2 inches between now and the 6th of June. Temperatures coming off the National Blend of Models, NBM. And most days, upper 80s through Memorial Day, although 91 is the high Sunday. And notice how the numbers come down a little bit with mid-80s by the middle of next week and the low down to near 60 by Thursday and Friday morning. And remember, this is for Birmingham. Many of the cooler pockets will drop into the cool 50s toward the end of next week. And hot off the presses, got the brand new 8 to 14 day guidance. This is for May 30th through June 5th. And if this works out, temperatures pretty close to average for most of Alabama. Maybe a little below for the Tennessee Valley, maybe a little above for the southern counties of the state. But again, no signal of any really extremes one way or the other. And let's roll that Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. I like the outfits. They're looking good. These are the pre-K students in the ELI, the Early Learning Initiative at Gadsden's University of Alabama Center. Look at the cake. And how about that Spann Saban hat? Come on now. All the goodies there, those from local merchants in the Gadsden area. Wow, what a table full of good stuff there. But this is the last regularly scheduled Kid Cam of the school year. Most schools are out tomorrow. They're done for the season. But hey, summer programs begin next week. No break here. We'll roll right into the summer programs. But again, to all those students and teachers at the ELI, the Early Learning Initiative at Gadsden's University of Alabama Center, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. Hey, you guys are looking good. And thanks to all the kids. We've seen thousands of them all across the state and the southeastern states here this school year. Where did it go? But again, we're wall-to-wall with summer programs, and before you know it, August is going to be here, and they'll be back in the regular classrooms. No book signing this Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend. The next one is going to be Saturday, June 1st, and that is scheduled for Selma in Dallas County. We'll post the details up on the social platforms early next week. So before we go, one more time, here's a look at the thunderstorms progressing through Tennessee, western Tennessee, and again, the Weather Service office is there kind of blanketing that bow-shaped echo coming along Interstate 40 with severe thunderstorm warnings. Those storms approaching Jackson, Tennessee, and they'll wind up in Nashville in a bit. And again, some of those could clip the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama this evening. But again, the better chance of any organized severe weather should stay north of here because of the ridge that's still in place here across the Deep South. So again, if you can watch us this evening, right across the hall in Studio A, ABC 3340 News at 456 and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.